Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply for a study visa to Italy step by step. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to just to show you how to navigate through a service. Alright guys, so let's proceed guys. So guys, the very first thing I have done here is I have opened the official Italy government visa site, you can say, and it's available in English as well. So if you click on English, you can see. Now how you apply and where to submit the documents, etc., they depend a lot on your location and your nationality. So let's say somebody is doing from India. Then if I click on India, residence, India, then it is asking length of your stay. So study visa is generally more than 90 days, right? Reason of your stay, if I scroll down, I have study options and various. So let's say you are gonna study this, so I click on this. Now it's gonna show me the options. So these are the answers I selected, and this is what I need: documents, visa entry form, passport size photograph, valid travel document, okay, proof that applicant accommodation, proof that applicant sufficient funds, subsistence, okay. They have a table here that if you want we can open and see. It is okay, we'll come back there. Health insurance, enrollment in postgraduate course, because we selected postgraduate. So you can see what is the amount they have requested you to have it, okay. Alright, and now how you can submit: you can submit to Consulate General of Italy in Kolkata, in Mumbai, in Delhi, and also through a third party provider, VFS, that also they have given. Okay, so there also you can. So we'll open both of these and see what they have said. So first I am opening for Kolkata, and also in another tab I am opening for VFS. See what they have said. So VFS is opening, and here the site for Kolkata is opening. Okay, so this also I can go for English. Oh, okay, and they have a section for visas. So for visa they have like this. So this is the form, okay, photo, surname, birth, date of birth. It's in English also, so very simple. Type of travel document, your passport, passport details, applicant home address, email, main purpose of the journey, okay. And then this you should be very careful: member state where you're gonna go, entry, final country, okay, mode of payment, this is really important, and then signature, place and date, fine. So if I go back, so it can be submitted for like for these states in India at Consulate General Kolkata or the outsourcing visa agency VFS. They have even given the link. So this is the VFS site. So if I click on apply for a visa, identify the visa type. They have given like where based on your location where you can submit. Begin your application. Once you get a visa application form, then passport and other things. Fee you can find out here. Okay. Alright, so I hope you got the information. So thanks for watching this, guys.